Remember how I said sodium chloride? The home care products that we choose to use in keratin treatments, we want to steer away from that sodium chloride. Because of the way that this bonds to the hair, it can disrupt those bonds and you won't get your full 1 to 6 months out of your treatment. You're going to get the most out of your treatment by avoiding products with sodium chloride in them. I've never seen a conditioner with sodium chloride. It can help the action of cleansing for shampoos, but it's not strictly necessary. There are some brands that are sodium chloride free across the board, and there's some brands that have special ones with no sodium chloride in them. It's important to note, I did not say sulfate free. That was kind of from the first generation of keratin treatments. And now the big buzzword is stay away from sodium chloride. If you find a sodium chloride free shampoo, chances are it's also going to be sulfate free, but sulfates aren't the big bad guy in this case. It's sodium chloride we want to stay away from. People expect to hear sulfate free, and it's not sulfate free that we're looking for. We're looking for something that is sodium chloride free. So just make sure you get your guests to repeat that back to you. Some styling products like sea salt sprays or some mousses, most shampoos, those all contain sodium chloride. Read your labels, look for that. Keep that keratin treatment working as long as possible. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you enjoy being nerdy about hair and hearing the occasional dad joke, go ahead and check out another one of my videos. If you want to see them as soon as they come out, go ahead and click subscribe. Feel free to share this video with any of your nerdy friends. I'll see you next time. Thanks.